Welcome to this Delft Stack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to get Strava overlay using sticker stats. Strava now has a built-in feature called sticker stats, which allows you to create an overlay from your activity without using external tools. First, make sure Strava app is updated to the latest version from the Play Store or App Store. And now open Strava and select the activity that you want to share. Let's say I want to share this activity, so I'll just click on it. And after that, just go ahead and scroll down and you'll see the option for share. And now here, just go ahead and swipe left and you will see your sticker stats. So basically this is transparent, so you can just go ahead and download it just like so. And once that you have done that, just open any video editing software. In my case, I'm going to be using CapCut, so just click on the plus icon and add the video where you want to add the Strava overlay. And once that you have done that, just go ahead and click on the plus icon once again and go to Photos. And now you will see your Strava overlay. Just go ahead and add it just like so. And once that you have done that, just go ahead and select your sticker stats and scroll to the side and click on Overlay. And now you can see it has been successfully set as an overlay in our video. So now when you play the video, you can see the overlay has been successfully applied. And that's it. That's how you add Strava overlay using sticker stats and add it to any video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next Delft Stack tutorial video.